Combining ancient philosophical ideas with modern neuroscience provides great understanding of the processes behind the law of attraction, a theory implying that our experiences and results are influenced by either positive or negative ideas. Rooted in the belief that thoughts become things, the law of attraction stresses the ability of positive thinking and visualization in forming one's reality. Although often regarded as metaphysical, neuroscience provides convincing data proving how the structure and operation of the brain fit these ideas. Fundamentally, the law of attraction holds that our mental focus reflects back to us our reality. Though basic, this concept can be transforming. Everything, creation or invention, started as an idea. Ideas motivate behavior. Actions define our emotional and physical environments. Driven by positivity, or on the other hand, lead to negativity and discontent when dominated by negative thinking, this process can produce uplifting, life-affirming experiences. Neuroscience shows how our brain's adaptability, or neuroplasticity, allows us to alter deeply rooted cognitive patterns, so converting negative loops into positive, constructive ones. At the core of neuroplasticity is the brain's amazing capacity for reorganizing itself. Positive thinking becomes a simpler and more natural habit over time when we do it often, since the brain strengthens neural pathways linked with those ideas. This is like walking a well-traveled path in a forest. The more we use it, the more accessible it gets. Practices including meditation, positive self-talk, and gratitude greatly improve brain activity and emotional well-being, according to neuroscience. A basic habit in many spiritual traditions, gratitude is also a scientifically verified tool for mental and emotional wellness. Frequent attention to what one is grateful for stimulates areas of the brain linked with reward and emotional control, including the prefrontal cortex and hypothalamus. These sites are connected to improved mood and less stress. One's perspective and resilience will be much enhanced by gratitude journaling, writing notes of thanks to others, or even just mentally noting objects to be grateful for. Another great tool that fits with the law of attraction in neuroscience is positive self-talk. Our emotional health and self-perception are much shaped by the inner conversation we keep. Negative self-talk strengthens neural circuits supporting uncertainty, anxiety, and unhappiness. But we can train the brain to promote confidence and optimism by deliberately substituting positive affirmations for negative ones. This process increases problem-solving capacity and emotional control by activating the prefrontal cortex, so lowering stress. Surrounding oneself with positive influences, that is, good company, helps to emphasize even more the brain's capacity for optimism. Conversations with upbeat, encouraging people set off molecules like oxytocin and dopamine, which lower stress and improve mood. Studies reveal that these kind of interactions slow down age-related decline, enhance cognitive ability, and inspire a more hopeful view of life. This emphasizes the need of selecting surroundings and relationships that support optimism. Developing positive thinking mostly depends on keeping a healthy brain. Neuroscience emphasizes how closely physical brain condition relates to mental well-being. A healthy brain controls stress, interprets emotions, and responds to challenges more successfully. Particularly powerful are habits including consistent exercise and quality sleep. Exercise improves blood flow to the brain and raises brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein vital for neural development and maintenance. Likewise, enough sleep helps to organize memories, control emotions, and improve cognitive ability, so optimizing the condition for positive thinking. Further complexity in the law of attraction comes from the part inspired action, deliberate action, and effortless effort play in its grasp. Inspired action naturally follows from a state of positivity and alignment to produce results with little opposition. Though sometimes required, deliberate action lacks the smooth ease of inspired action and often feels compelled. Rooted in ancient Taoist philosophy as Wu Wei, the idea of easy effort stresses alignment with the natural flow of life. Examining the default mode network, DMN, and task positive network, TPN, of the brain helps neuroscience clarify this state. Active in self-referential thoughts and rumination, the DMN sometimes reinforces negative self-talk and anxiety. Meditating, practicing mindfulness, and thanks help to calm this network so that the TPN, in charge of targeted problem-solving and creativity, may take front stage. The brain moves to a deeper intelligence akin to the Taoist and Tibetan ideas of aligning with universal flow or deeper mind when the DMN is quieted. Achieving easy effort depends mostly on this condition, which is described as receiving thought rather than actively thinking. Emphasizing the cultivation of positive ideas and emotions to connect with a higher intelligence or Shen, the Tibetan Bön tradition echoes the call to increase one's vibration made by the law of attraction. Those who let go of control and trust in this deeper intelligence match a natural flow of possibilities and answers. Neuroscience matches this knowledge by demonstrating that the brain becomes more open to intuitive insights and problem solving when it enters states of relaxation and positivity. A principle in the law of attraction, the art of allowing captures this harmony between work and surrender. One has to let go of attachment to results and trust the natural unfolding of events after developing good ideas and emotions. Neuroscience supports this approach by emphasizing the need of alternately active participation, thinking thoughts, with passive receptivity, receiving insights. The great power of letting go is shown by the brain's ability to unconsciously handle difficult problems during states of rest or sleep. Neuroscience, Taoism, Tibetan traditions, and the law of attraction taken together reveals a timeless truth. The mind and brain are profoundly linked, so forming our experience and reality. Rooted in practices including gratitude, self-talk, and mindfulness, positive thinking not only changes personal life, but also fits with universal ideas of flow and interconnectedness. Through calming the mind and fostering optimism, people access a deeper intelligence that leads them toward fulfillment and well-being. So bridging the ancient and the modern in a common search of the great secrets of life.